Good afternoon. My name is Maribel Gomez, group 220. Teacher Gloria Hernandez. Effects of technology on the environment. I believe that the excessive use of natural resources due to technology progress and the way of life we lead today will destroy living beings. The Industrial Revolution and the accelerated growth of the world population brought with it an excessive consumption of resources. The burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, amongst others, make the atmosphere retain more heat, so the temperature of the planet increases. Besides all the factory cars and machines we know today use fossil fuels such as coal and oil that produce an alarming amount of carbon dioxide, besides killing natural resources such as water. Oil extraction kills natural resources such as soil, fauna, and flora. The oil spills leave soils unusable for years as the land takes a long time to recover, and during this time it is impossible to grow food. The oil spill on the coast destroys marine life. With the use of technology and the support of world governments, we can establish laws that prohibit the use of fuels such as oil and replace them with clean energies such as wind and solar energy. Chain combustion cars for electronic cars. Campaigns in favor of the environment to raise people's awareness about the cost of such an important resource as water. Thanks.